Okay, class, so today we're going to be learning about the different parts of a document that are important for us to understand. Kimberly, can you read the first learning target of the day?
I will be able to describe what purpose, content, context, and audience.
Okay, Nicole, can you read the second one?
I will be able to discuss why these terms are important.
Thank you. Okay, class, so what you are going to do is go through the dictionary and find the dictionary definition for each of the words that you guys have on your paper. Okay? And I'll give you a few minutes to do that. Okay, is everyone done? Awesome. Nicole, can you read me what yours is?
I had purpose, and the dictionary definition was the reason for which something is done or created, or for which something exists.
So it would be the reason why.
Mm-hmm.
Kimberly, what's yours?
I had content, and it said the subject or topics covered in a book or a document. It is something that is expressed through speech, writing, or any other various arts.
Good. And Rachel, yours?
I had context, and the definition was the circumstances that form the setting for an event, statement, or idea, and in terms of which it can be fully understood and assessed.
Thank you. And Karina?
I had audience, and I found two definitions, and I'm not sure which one.
Okay, what's the first one that you found?
So the first one I found is the assembled spectators or listeners at a public event, such as a play, concert, or meeting. And the other one that I found that I think maybe works better is the readership of a book, magazine, or newspaper.
Okay, so if we're doing documents, would it be one of those? Would it be the
The
second,
second one?
Okay.
Probably.
So the audience would be the people who are actually reading it.
Okay.
Okay. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to break you off into groups of two, and you're going to try and think of how your definition would work if we were looking at a historical document. So as if we were doing the Declaration of Independence. Okay? And you're going to write down as a group for each word how you think your word would be useful in understanding that text. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, Rachel and Karina are going to be in one group, and then Kimberly and Nicole.
Okay.
So I have content, and that's pretty much everything the document says.
So, do we write down the content of the Declaration of Independence?
Yes. Content's one of the easier ones.
So,
So the context
What is
for the
the
Declaration
law?
of Independence.
the land? Is that the Declaration of Independence? Law of the land?
Well, we haven't gone over the Declaration of Independence yet, but it's the reasons why the colonies went away from Britain.
So are we saying?
it's like a list.
So yours would be the audience
So,
of who would read the
Who,
Declaration of
okay, so
Independence.
who it was written for?
Why?
That's what we're putting down,
What's
okay,
the
so
reasons why?
the
Colonies
context for the
broke
reason
apart
why
or
is
stayed
because
together.
Or
the
colonies
wanted
left
independence, right,
England,
from
right?
Britain.
Yeah.
Or, and would it be like, what they want for their new, like, homeland?
Yeah. Purpose.
The purpose.
would be so
Would
that
be-
everyone knows the rules.
Mm-hmm. Everyone knows the rules
For their home.
of their new home. And so,
Also, the purpose could be so that it's something that they can go back to if a problem arises.
oh yeah,
Since it's a formal document, they can go back to it.
Go back and refer to it in case of future.
I suppose.
Is everyone done?
Yes.
Awesome. Okay, Nicole, can you read why you think purpose is important?
Of the Declaration of Independence. We wrote so everyone knows the rules of their new home and so they can go back and refer to it in case of future problems.
Nice. Okay, and Kimberly, yours was content?
We said that it was a list of reasons why colonies left England, and it tells what they want for their new home.
Awesome, okay. And Rachel?
I had context, and it was that the colonies were separating from Britain and they wanted their own independence.
Awesome, okay. And Karina for audience?
So we thought that they wrote it specifically for the British monarchy, but also for other European nations to like maybe help the United States gain independence, and maybe for other Americans who kind of didn't want to secede, maybe to try to convince them to.
Okay, awesome. Okay, class, so now what we're going to do is we're going to read one of the documents that happened right before the Declaration of Independence, and we're going to use these terms to help better understand it, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay.